So yesterday I arrived on the beautiful island of Madeira. I've been down to Funchal today, you had a look around, returned, went for a quick swim and went to dry off by the pool when I heard chirping above my head. So I looked up and I saw quite a few Atlantic Canaries, absolutely gorgeous. So I went up to my room, I've obviously brought my camera with me, and I've set my tripod up and took this selection of photographs and a short video. And I'm sure you'll agree with me how absolutely cute these pictures are. Thank you.